real talk, just rap pack. Besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinatra, that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rap pack to my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time.
Alright, what is up YouTube? I am back with another video for you guys. And today I have a few plans with my clothing line. This is gonna be starting a clothing line episode 2. And today I just wanted to show you guys a couple of shirts that I've already made. One of them I'm actually wearing right now, which is this YouTube t-shirt. Check that out. So I actually made this shirt using 2 pieces of vinyl, one white and one red. So I went ahead and made that for myself, for my YouTube channel, so when I do start making videos, I can wear this and you guys will know that I am doing this for YouTube. So yeah, so these are one of my creations I've already made. Another one that I made, which was more personal, is my mint crew neck, right over here actually. Now as you guys can see, I actually made this right here. This is a crew neck. And I actually wore this the whole time I was in San Francisco, and you guys can check that out in my last vlog. But yeah, those are 2 creations that I've already made. Let's go ahead and check out what I have in mind. So I have a couple more shirts that I'm designing right now, and if you guys want to see 2 of them, I actually have these 2 on my wall. One of them is All Things Fresh, and the other one is God and Hip Hop. Now these 2 are just examples, that's why I stuck them right there, but they're gonna be bigger than that. And then this is gonna be white, and then the fresh will be like a green. And then I wanted God and Hip Hop to be gold, and then the and sign red on maybe like a teal type shirt. So I have those 2 in mind. I'm probably gonna make the All Things Fresh shirt first. But before I get into that, I'm actually going out today to buy a white long sleeve. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you the whole process of how I make shirts. Alright, so here's the design I have in Photoshop with the white long sleeve. Now in the middle, you can see that it is actually a koi fish. And I actually designed this in Photoshop and bring it over. Here's the original file. So I did design that last night before I went to bed. I took it over into this white long sleeve just to see what it would look like. And the reason I chose the koi fish is because it actually represents peace, love, and prosperity. And I actually searched that up, and to me, I really like what it represents. So I went ahead and got peace, love, and prosperity right here on the sides, as well in Japanese, just because I really like the Japanese style clothing and Japanese words on t-shirts. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to make this today. Go ahead and go to Target and grab a shirt real quick, and then come home and work on this project. Let's go! What is up guys, I am back from Target and I just got the white long sleeve. So here it is. It didn't cost me that much, but I got an extra large just in case. So this is what I'm going to be working with today. The koi fish design is going to go on the front, as well as peace, love, and prosperity right here. So first thing you want to do is you want to actually take the design into the studio. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the red koi into the studio. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and trace it. So there we go. Use the trace tool. All I want to do is outline it. So I'm gonna go ahead and outline it and bring the threshold all the way up so it gets every little detail. and then I'm pretty much just gonna trace. And then there it is. I don't need this design, all I need is the traced out design right here. I'm gonna go ahead and save that and do the same thing for the other 3 designs. So here are the other designs for the sleeves. I'm gonna go ahead and trace all of these as well. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now I'm just gonna fill these ones by different colors. For peace, I'm gonna go ahead and do blue. For love, I'm gonna go ahead and do red. And for prosperity, I'll just do pink. Perfect. So I just color correct them, but when we do print them, they're actually gonna come out black. But I want to print them separate. So we have our designs here. Now what I want to do for this first design is that I actually want this bigger. Alright, now that we have our design set up, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting them and show you the process for that. Get your vinyl wrap and put the glossier side, as you can see, this is more glossier, on face down onto your mat. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Perfect, and there you go. I have the vinyl onto our mat. Now in the design itself, for this koi design, with all designs that you want printed on a shirt, you actually have to flip it horizontal. That way when you press it onto the heat press, it'll come out exactly how you want it. So you just want to make sure that it covers the whole area. And there you go, it's loaded. Now here's our design, and we want to make sure it goes at least to 11 inches because that's how much vinyl I have left. And then, like I said, you have to flip it horizontal, so just right click, flip horizontally, and there we go. We have our first design. And then now we're gonna go ahead and send it to the silhouette. There we go. And now it's gonna go ahead and cut everything out. So now all I have to do is just press send, and it should send it to the studio. Alright guys, so it looks like I did run into a problem with my first design, which was the koi fish. It actually cut it wrong, I'm not sure why, but not to worry because I do have more red vinyl coming in. I was able to get all the other designs cut pretty good. So if you guys look here, I already have this set up on the heat press, so you guys can see what these will be looking like. So this right here says peace and love on that sleeve, and then I'm gonna go ahead and heat press this for you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and heat press this for you guys. We're not gonna be working with the centerpiece today. It's pretty much a bummer for me, but I'm pretty patient and I'll just wait for that design. But at least these came out pretty good. So yeah, let me just go ahead and heat press it for you guys. Layer it down for about 18 seconds. Now all I have to do is peel this off. It should be good to go. So that's one. These were actually separate, so yeah. And there we go. That is our first design, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys when I'm done with everything. Alright guys, so here's the final product of this long sleeve, for the side designs at least. Like I said, I won't be working on the front design because my vinyl cutter did mess it up, but you guys have a good idea of how I do work on my shirts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is episode 2, and even though we did run into some problems, I was still able to show you guys some examples of how you can get your designs printed on your shirts. But other than that, this is the end of this video. If you guys haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification to notify you guys whenever I do upload a new video. If you guys liked this video, please go ahead and give me a like. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a question in the comment description below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and remember, it's all about the journey. Peace.